got a lot to get done in my kitchen, and of course, I got my little helper here with me. So, let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so like I said, I got so much to get done, and I am definitely got a lot to get done in my kitchen. You can tell I kind of let this go. We've been spending so much time outside that the house kind of fell behind. So let's get this started. Alright guys, the first thing I'm getting done here in my kitchen is trying to get these dishes dried and put away, so that way I can get started on the rest of the dishes. Okay, well, let's go. How cute are these little kid plates? Do your kids still use these too? Please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button so you can see more just like this. Alright, now that I got the dishes dried and put away, let's get this sink started. Ugh, there's so much to get done, but let's go! So I'm going to be cleaning our ice cream scoop here. I actually use this ice cream scoop more for pancakes than I do ice cream. What do you guys use it more for? Alright, one of my most dreaded tasks. I gotta get this microwave clean. Alright, so how I clean my microwave, I keep my old sponges around. I put some Dawn dish soap on it and some hot water. I throw it in the microwave for 2 minutes, let that cook up all that soap and heat that microwave up. And then I just go in with that same sponge and wipe the whole thing out. Moving on, let's get this stove clean. If you have an Instagram, please go and follow me over at Momming on a Daily 2020. Alright guys, let's move on and get this counter cleaned off. Do you guys like to use a broom or do you guys use a vacuum for your floors in your kitchen? Let me know. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this whole house clean with me, please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.